Hi guys, I'm here at Walmart today and I'm gonna go look at some of their fashion and accessories. It's not too busy right now, so hopefully I can get through everything I want to get through. If you're new here, I love to share fashion and beauty, and I have my coffee. I'm feeling kind of out of it today. It is a gloomy day, but it is pretty warm. So let's go inside and see what we can find. Okay, so I have to tell you something really funny. So you can only take 6 items in the dressing room at Walmart. And when I did that, I locked myself out because I was trying to switch out some like clothes and outfits and stuff, and I locked myself out, and the lady wasn't there, so I had to like wait for her to come back, which took like 15 minutes. So here's me. I'm hot and sweaty. It's like 95 degrees that day. I'm wearing my Athletic Works tank top, bike shorts. And so halfway through this little try on, you'll see me dying and melting of heat. I don't even know why I tried to leave my hair down this day, but I tried to look good for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this try on. Okay, so this black tank top I am wearing, you'll see in a couple different clips here with different outfits, because I just picked it up just to try on with a couple different things. So I do like these little ruffled little shorts. I did think that they would be a different material. I have seen them on other people, but they are like a linen material, so just keep that in the back of your mind. And I would say that you need to size up in these. I did get an extra large, and they are tight around the waist. I don't know if you can really tell, but they are not loose like I would like them to be. So if I do go ahead and get these, I would order them in a 3X. But I do like the little ruffles, and they are super light and super airy, and they are really cute considering. Next outfit is this little Rolling Stones t-shirt. It was like $9. I didn't think that they would have these in store, guys, but they do. So I would check your local Walmart to see. I am wearing an extra large. It's not fitting as oversized as I would like it to be, so I would go up a size. I would go up to a 3X just because I would want it oversized, and I feel like if you washed this, it would shrink a little bit, so it would be even more fitted. And then this Grand Canyon little tee is the same brand. I did feel like it fit a little bit different. Like, in the clips, when I'm looking back at it, it doesn't look as like baggy as I would like it to be, but it was in real life. Like, it was a little bit bigger than the Rolling Stones t-shirt. So I don't know. I do like the Rolling Stones t-shirt a little bit better than I do like this one, but it's cute. This green Time and True little tank dress is cute. Don't love that you can see through it. I do like where it hits lengthwise. It does have pockets. This is a type of dress that I normally go for. I do like the little tank dresses. I feel like they look flattering on me with the high neck. I do like the color. I just don't like that you can see through it. And then this one is really big. I got a size 22. It is from their plus size section. I would go down a couple sizes actually. You can't see in the video, but it does like have a cutout like above, like right below where my my boobs are, but it's really, really big. The print is beautiful. This reminds me of like being in the tropics, being in Hawaii, being in the Caribbean. I just think that I would need to go down like to a size 18. But the length is perfect. It goes down like a maxi dress. I don't know what kind of bra you would wear with this, because I would definitely need to wear a bra. But yeah, it's super cute. Also, I did want to say on this dress that it does come in different prints. If you look online, it does come in different prints. I just I gravitated towards this print. Now, this is the outfit that I've been in love with. I just wish the pants were a little bit shorter in length. Even if I wore heels, I think I would be dragging. I believe the pants were time and true, and I did get a size extra, extra large, and I really do like the tank with it, actually. And the pants are linen, but I feel like it makes me look slender. You could wear like a sweater tank with it. You could put a jacket on. You could dress it down and put some tennies on and a jean jacket. You could just wear it with some sandals. It's just the perfect little summer outfit. I put my hair up. I'm like so hot right now. I'm getting yelled at by people. So I did buy a pair of shoes and a shirt, and then I had to get some toilet paper. So, but there are currently people standing outside of my car doing some registration. It is hot today. So anyways, I will show you the clips that I got, and hopefully you like it. They do have some cute stuff. If you like this type of video, I'd love it if you would like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys the next time. Bye guys.